Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. We have good strategy content in this channel. Please go through that if you are a first timer. Let us jump into the strategy that we are going to discuss today on intraday basis. If you consider this strategy, it's a very old strategy. 70s, 80s, 1990s, even beginning of 2000, almost 80 to 90% of the world used to work on this strategy. Simple strategy, opening range breakout from 5 minutes candle to 10 minutes candle, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. They'll draw line in top of that candles. Say this is 15 minutes candle. They draw two lines, one on the top, one on the bottom. If candle breaks on top, they'll buy. If candle breaks on the bottom, they'll sell. And they used to make money only with this strategy, and they'll close the system within 1 hour by booking the profits. Slowly, what happened, big players or operators, they want to make money. So if they want to make money, then we need to lose, trades. For that, they used to do a fake out somewhere here. From there, price will come inside and our SLs will get hit. From there again, they'll move the market up. Similarly, for downside, if you have a breakout here, we used to sell on the closing. But what they'll do, they'll bring the price inside and they'll hit our SL. Again, they'll come back the price. This is what operators and big players job. So slowly this opening range breakout, faded out because operators are playing and they are watching our orders and they are to get their orders on, they used to hit our SLs. So now we have artificial intelligence and machine level kind of a technology where we can find out where is the more volume. If there is a fake out candle here, that means there may not be much volume for this candle. So when there is a breakout stuff, there should be a huge volume, and the volume that we plot, that may not be even get that kind of a knowledge from big players. So now with the help of this artificial intelligence and machine level kind of a technology, our legendary traders investor made an algorithmic code, and with that they made an indicator. If you plot that, they'll give you accurate buy signal when there is a breakout and simultaneously when there is a volume. So now for us, what we need to do, we have a line on top, we have line on bottom, and if any candle breaking out, we plot one more indicator, say stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI, what it will do, in stochastic RSI there will be two lines. So if there is a breakout with our new indicator that we are going to plot on this candle, simultaneously we have a crossover here, we'll take a trade. If there is a breakout here and our stochastic RSI below, we don't have this kind of a breakout here, then we are not going to take a trade. Let me explain in detail on the chart. Let us get into the chart. This is our normal trading view platform, and in this we plot ORB algo, if you type ORB algo, flex charts, this is the one that we need to click. Can you see the star mark ORB algo flex charts? If you click this, and we can remove the unwanted stuff from this. Go to the settings, take out this table part. You can have the rest of the stuff in this. In this, it will give you take profit 1 2 3 like that, and SL, and also it will be giving exit in this stuff. Now see, even we have a breakout here, right? Can you see that? Today we didn't get any trade because it's a narrow range entire day. That is the reason we didn't get any calls, though we have a fake fake breakouts. Fake breakouts on the bottom and also top, we didn't get any call. If you see yesterday, there is a breakout here, but we didn't get a buy call because it's a small one. If you see this candle height, at least we should have a profit with the candle height. If you see, this is the candle height. So at least we should have a candle height kind of, here the profit 1:1. But we didn't get a buy call here. We got a buy call here. And see how beautifully with this we got a good profit in this. To have a second confirmation, we also plot stochastic RSI. If clubbing these two, you got a buy call here, and moreover you got crossover here on the upside. If you have a crossover on the downside, when you get a buy call, you should not take the call, and you need to wait till you get a buy signal. Though you got a buy call, but stochastic RSI indicating downside, you should not get into the trade until unless you know the price action and you can go for it. Now you got a buy call here, and you saw these two candles, bullish engulfing kind of a candlestick formation. You'll be entering here. This is small URSL from here to here, small SL. See how big profit you got. It's given a symbol of X. This is profit 1. See here, sometimes you got a buy call here. It's a small range candle, but you got 1:1 in this candle. But as there is some more room in this, but what we need to do, we need to have, when you get a buy signal, that time you should have stochastic RSI somewhere here after crossing, little bit down. At least the middle line and bottom line in between, you should have the crossover, and these two lines are going up. For sell calls, see one more buy call, you got it here. As price reached almost top, though you got a buy call, better wait till price come down and again you get a stochastic signal, cross signal, and going up. So you may be taking a trade somewhere here. You can see this evening star kind of a candlestick formation. This one. Here if you take a call, here SL here, below these 3 candles, this is your profit. So though you got a buy signal here, you're not taking because stochastic run out maximum almost more than middle point. Then what you need to do, you need to wait till it go down and again started coming up, right? We are not losing much. And when you going down and coming up, and if you find any candlestick formation here, see this evening star kind of a candlestick formation, enter and take the profit. We'll see in bank nifty. Narrow range today, no call. See here, this is the best example. You got a buy signal here, but what is happening? Stochastic is in downside. When you need to take a trade, you should not take trade here, because stochastic is not confirming, though this great indicator is saying buy, because they have a aptitude to have SL somewhere bottom to get this 1:1. But as we are bit intelligent and plotting one more indicator to avoid some kind of a losses or less risk to reward, we need less risk more reward. For that, now we are not entering here, we are just waiting till this go down and cross over again, the bottom line. If that reaches there, you can take a trade here. Can you see this? These two candlesticks, bullish harami kind of a candlestick pattern. You can ignore the top line. You should be little careful on the top line whether price may come down, but this may react as a resistance. But as price is here several times on the line, so this line may not be that great resistance. So if you take a trade here, see the profit that what you got. And any trade you are getting after 2:30, you are not going to take a trade, right? Let us see on some stocks now. We saw Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is Coal India. Now again, which stock to select to trade this? Go to NSE India, take this 10 stocks. If you're not comfortable on indexes, plot these stocks in your trading view platform. Accordingly, you can trade. Now you got a sell signal here. So with this sell signal, you should have stochastic somewhere like this, coming down these two lines parallelly, not touching each other. But if you take here also, SL could be somewhere here, previous pivot low. This is the previous pivot low, and you got a profit. If you have that kind of a stuff, you can do that. Otherwise, still you can trade here. See this stochastic gone up and coming down. So if you are not entered here, you can enter here. And 1:1, you got it easily. See this entire day, this 30 minutes range happened in the first 30 minutes. But we didn't get any signal though the price moved below this line. Only we got signal somewhere here around 2 o'clock. This is your entry, this is your SL, this is your SL and this is your entry. How beautifully you got the trade. And moreover, stochastic is also coming down here. That is Coal India. Let us check into the another stock. This is Grasim stock. Buy signal here. See buy signal here, stochastic on the top. What you need to do? Buy signal you got stochastic on the top. That means your stock current price is heavier. It's not a cheap. So what you need to do? See, this trade is still working. You got a buy signal, you're putting SL here, previous pivot low, and you got a profit. But as we are plotting one more indicator apart from this to make a better risk to reward. For that, what we are doing, though we got a buy signal here, we are not taking. Let us stochastic come down, cross over below to the middle line and going up, then we are entering the trade. Now with these three candles, can you see this? You will be buying somewhere here, this hammer candle on the top. See, this hammer candle is here, but the crossover happened here and we got an entry here, though you placed an order here. And from there, you got better risk to reward. 1:3 kind of a risk to reward. See, you got a sell signal here, but price is below. Price is heavy actually. We have waited some more time and here we got the trade based on the stochastic RSI clubbing with the ORB algo. This candle we got in. Once you enter, you need not to see stochastic. Stochastic to check the better order to place. And from here, first target, second target, third target. These X symbols are target 1, target 2, target 3. Your entry and target 1. And you're not comfortable taking on the top of stochastic, wait here. When price come down and there is a crossover here, you'll be entering somewhere here and this is your profit. 1:1, 1:1.5. Hindustan Unilever. You got a sell signal here, but you are not taking, and you are taking almost at the line, bottom line. See the stochastic coming down from here. So you are placing order somewhere near to this line. Your order will be hit, and you will be placing your SL. At least you don't have any pivot high, then one candle above to the line, and from there, this is your profit. This is, it may be looking a small profit, but it's a good risk to reward kind of a profit. See, again, based on your plan, you need to select now. You first initially you need to work 1:1, then 1:1.5, then 1:2. After that, still you can have, there could be a days to capture entire days one way move. For that, you need to take the profit of 50% of the quantity and bring SL to the close to the profit that you booked, not at the buy price, close to your take in the first target price. From there, let it run. If not, it will come and hit your SL at the first target itself. Now see this, the trade that we just saw, you got 1:3.41. If you risking 1000 rupees, you are getting 3400. The ORB algo saying buy here. You can take buy because line is somewhere here when we got a buy. This is the long call, and from year to year you got a big risk to reward. See here, this crossover happened here, and here you got a buy order somewhere in the below middle, the stochastic line, and you got 1:2 almost 3. For 1000 rupees you are getting 3000 rupees. Let us see one more trade. Today we didn't get, though we have several breakdowns in this stock, but see, yesterday you got buy order here as our stochastic saying not entry price. When stochastic gone down and enter somewhere here, this is your SL, this is your entry, and yesterday itself you got good risk to reward. If holded today, you got it even better risk reward. The trade is even for today. That's the reason that we didn't get the trade. Let us see now the profit risk to reward, how much that what we got. If you consider only yesterday, then you got 1 is to 3.95. 5,000 rupees risk, you got 3,950. If you consider even today, in the closing, in the beginning of first 10-15 minutes, you got it 1 is to 6.82. So if you want to take a trade after 3 o'clock or 2:30, then better carry for BTST. As you are trading only on Nifty 50 stocks, you can sell even tomorrow the stocks that what you purchased yesterday. For that, you need to take the position in NRML where you can hold. If you take miss order, your order will be exited at 320. If you take that order into NRML, then you can carry tomorrow to close the position. Let us see one more. See, this is a beautiful trade. Entry at the same time, stochastic is giving crossover here. This is your entry. Below to this candle is your SL. See the profit, how much you got it. Crossover happened here, but you placed order here. This order, the fourth candle got hit our entry, and see the profit that what we got. See, I'm putting an effort to, even a beginner can start trading if they have some kind of a logic mindset. Initial days, what happened, beginners will blow up their monies several times before they got some confident. My sincere effort is to, you should not lose money while trading. You should have some kind of a confidence, at least getting 1 is to 1 in initial stage. See, in this trade you got 1 is to 3.64. Don't run on YouTube channel strategies behind. You take any strategy will work. Okay, only thing you need to have, day on day you are working on the strategy, then you'll understand when to enter, how to make this strategy even more accurate, that kind of a stuff that you'll be getting. If you work 2 days on one strategy, another week another strategy, like that you're moving around. I know people, they are trading from last 10 years and they are into huge losses even today, and this has become some kind of a, what to say, habit, or some kind of a thing where they can't control without trading. They bring money even on loan part and they do trading every day. My sincere suggestion, if you are working 1 week, the entire 1 week into losses, then you should not touch your system next at least 1 week. You should come back with the fresh mindset, and whatever knowledge that you have, you should take that away and get it with the fresh knowledge. So chart patterns, candlestick patterns, all this you should have some kind of a understanding where it's easy for you. See this? This is the trend line on the downside. If trend line breaks this big candle, entry, profit. Without anything, just plotting, a naked chart. With that chart also you can do wonders. And if you see this two candlestick formation here, bullish engulfing, and this is our support line. Bullish engulfing at support will go the price up. Bullish engulfing, a reverse trade. Bullish engulfing, this is your profit. And even you can have this trend line, something like this. This is the trend line breakout on the bullish engulfing candle. And you have these kind of additional advantages that the breakout, trend line breakout, bullish engulfing, stochastic RSI saying these two lines saying the market is bullish. So this could be your profit. So work wisely. See here, you got buy entry here, but stochastic is saying though you have a buy and you'll be getting a target, but you're buying a price very high. You need to wait sometime till up to here at least, and see there is any candlestick formation. This is doji candle. It is indecision. Price doesn't want to go up, doesn't want to come down. See all these dojis. If you see all these dojis, what they are saying, price doesn't want to go either side, from this. If you find a wicks, see all these candles have wicks both the sides. When a big candle breaks like this, your entry will be here, your SL will be here, and this is your profit. See, this is a failure candlestick thing that we should not enter. But I'll take a reverse trade in this. Stochastic is, coming down, and we have a reverse hammer candlestick formation. Very small SL. See this red small candle? That is SL, and I'll try to have at least 1:1, 1:2. Short position. See this 1:2.32. For 1,000 rupees risk, you will get 2,320 rupees. So hope you understand, how you need to work with the naked chart, and how you need to work with having some kind of a indicators. With that help, how you can make your trade more comfortable. Practice with trend lines, practice with chart patterns, practice with candlestick formation. All this will help you. This is trend line breakout. From here you can get this profit. Moreover, if you see a W pattern, on the break of W pattern you can enter here. W pattern you can enter here. This is your profit, and you can keep SL somewhere here. If you have the chart patterns are very key now. If you work on positional stuff, this is range breakout. This is the range, big players accumulate this stock. When this range got breakout, that is what happened here. This is your profit still moving on. All right. And when you see, we are done with the strategy. If somebody is not comfortable, they can move on. But see this M pattern, and if you know the trend line, this breakout from here, this thing, all the profit that you got. But initial days, it's tough for you to recognize these kind of a patterns. Slowly, steadily, you will be getting all this if you work on price action and one or two strategies day in day out. Simple. Here also, you got a buy entry here, you can go ahead with it. When you get a buy entry confirming two stuffs, one line, two line, three lines touch, trend line, trend line breakout, good hammer kind of a candle. From here, see all bullish candles, only one red candle. Even on the bullish market, if you see two, three candles, and if you find one red candle in between, You can enter even here. This is your SL. This is your 1:2. All right, then. Hope you understand what I'm talking. I'm giving a lot of additional tips for you to how you can enhance your price action skills, and then chart patterns, candlestick patterns. Just go ahead and draw trend lines. Any kind of a range. See this? This is a range not breaking either sides. If you enter here, putting SL here, see the big profit that what you got. Price moved out. Again come back because big players didn't get enough quantity. Again gone up. Again come back. They got enough purchase in this. Then they made price moving higher. All right then. Thank you. I'll come back with another strategy next Saturday. And till then, practice this strategy several times if you want to go ahead and implement this on day-to-day intraday perspective. And like this video, watch this video, share this video to others. And if you like this strategy, just put a positive comment that you like this strategy. Thank you. Bye bye.